Dear students, detailed civil engineering courses like manual building design, Stat Pro, ETABS, SAP, Revit, AutoCAD, Primavera, P6 are available at Civil Engineering Shravan online application app. So download the application from the Google Play Store now. Each course contains 50 plus high quality video contents and free PDFs and exercises, and online certification will be provided after completing the course. Course will be available at 67 to 70% discount now and valid up to 6 months. Download civil engineering application now from Google Play Store, or direct link is available at the description of this video. Try to utilize this offer.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Engineering Shravan YouTube channel. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering topics. In this video, I will explain you complete circular column building design by using ETABS software. So for this video, firstly I will explain you modeling process, then after that I will explain you the analysis process, then after that I will explain you complete designing of circular column and building by using ETABS software. And if you are not yet downloaded our application, please download Civil Engineering Shravan application from Google Play Store. The complete courses like Stat Pro, ETABS, SAP, Revit, Primavera, P6 software are available in our application. Try to utilize this offer. Let's start our video. So go to select your ETABS software. So here I am selecting my ETABS software. Go to click on the file option here. Click on new model option. So here we have to select the use built-in settings from these three options. Select display units as per metric SI. Steel is Indian. IS 800 code, concrete is IS 456, click on OK option. So here we have to enter the story data as well as the grid data for this. So here I am entering number of the grid lines will be consisting of 5 numbers in X direction. Each will be consisting of 4 meter. So here I am taking G plus 10 story building which is consisting of 3 meter for each and every section. Click on grid only option, click on OK option. Now we can see here, this is the plan view model, this is the 3D view model for this circular column building section. So after getting the story data as well as the grid data, we need to define the material properties. For this building structural model, I am assuming M30 grade concrete provision standard system with HYSD of 500 grade steel. So initially we need to define those material properties. For that, go to click on the define option, click on material properties option. So here we have to click on the add new material option. So we have to select the Indian according to the concrete section. Just I am selecting here M30 grade, click on OK. Again in the same process we have to add a rebar section which is of HYSD of 500 here. Click on OK option. So again we have to click on OK option. Now we can see we are defined M30 grade concrete provision standard system and HYSD of 500 grade steel. So click on OK option here. Now after this we have to define the frame sections data which is related to defining of the beam sections as well as the column section dimensions. Go to define option for that. Section properties, select frame section, delete multiple properties initially. Next time selecting all these properties, click on delete option. Select these two properties, click on delete, OK option. Now we have to define the columns and beams. Click on add option, select the concrete, we will give it as beam and change the material from 400 psi to M30 grade. So here I am selecting the beam size which is consisting of approximately 460 x 300 for this section. Click on the reinforcement option, again we will select the beam, change HYSD bar 500 and this will be of, let us take 40 mm cover, just I am assuming at the top as well as the bottom option. Click on OK. Click on OK. After this we doesn't require this ISLB 600. Click on delete property option. Now we have to define the column section dimensions. So according to my assumption, just I am selecting column which is consisting of 600 mm, which is of 0.6 meter for the circular member. Okay, so here I am selecting add a new property option here. Select the concrete which is related to circular section. Give the column. Just I am giving the column as 600 mm and we have to select the material M30 grade and we will give here as diameter as 600 mm. Now after this we have to click on the reinforcement option. We will select the reinforcement according to the column. We will select as per HOSG 500 circular section which is related to ties 20 mm diameter. This is 10 mm diameter I am assuming here. Click on OK option here. So otherwise if you want to increase the number of the bars which are presented here for this member, you can increase as per your assumption. Click on OK option. Now you can see we are assigned the members and you can edit the cover also, depends upon your assumption. Click on OK option. Click on OK. Now after defining the beam sections, column section, we need to define the slab section. For that go to click on define option, section properties, select frame slab section, delete the plank one. Just I am selecting slab which is consisting of 150 mm. Select it as M30 grade. We will write here as 150. Click on OK option. Again we have to click on OK. Now we have defined the beam sections, column sections as well as the slab section for this building. Now we have to assign those properties. Now we have to assign those properties for this grid model. Now firstly we have to assign the beam section initially. For that we have to select the quick draw beams option here. Select the frame which is related to beam. So drag to the respected model so that it will assign here. In the same process you can select the I section related to the column. Change property from beam to column 600 mm. Now again we have to drag to the respected model. Now we can see here I was assigned with the column section. After this we had to assign the slab section. Go to select the slab. Change property from deck 1 to slab 150. Drag to the respected model here like this. Okay, now you can see here I was done with the slab section. After this we have to delete the properties which are presented at the ground story section. For that go to select option, stories, select the base. Go to edit option, click on delete property option so that it will delete the property which are presented in the base. Now we have to edit the data. Go to click on add modify grid, modify show option here. Select story number as 1. In the same process we will enter this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 story like 10 stories. Click on OK option. Again click on OK. Now after this we had to define the load cases. This is the next step in the modeling process as well as the analysis process of the building. For that go to define option. So here it will be consisting of load patterns option. So already it is having dead load as well as the live load. We will define earthquake load which is presented in X direction condition and as per the seismic loading option, and we have to select as per IS 1893-2016. Now in the same process we have to add the earthquake load which is in Y direction condition. Now I am adding wind load which is in X direction according to my wind as per IS 875-2015 code. Again we will add wind load which is in Y direction condition system. After defining those load cases, we had to modify the data which is related to defining the data related to seismic load as well as the wind load in the seismic load x direction condition, seismic load in y direction condition, wind load x direction condition, wind load y direction condition. For that, select seismic load x direction, modify show load. So here I am selecting the direction which is related to the x direction, and 0.36 is the factor, and site type will be of 2 and response reduction factor will be of 5. Click on OK. In the same process, we have to modify the data in earthquake load in y direction according to the y specifications as per IS 1893 code book provision as per zone 5 seismic condition. So now we can see I was modified the data in y direction, site 2, importance 1, 5. Now we will select the wind load x, modify. So here I am entering my speed which is approximately equal to 39 meter per second, which was located in terrain category 3 having importance factor is 1.15. Coefficient is K1 1, this I am considering 1. 0.86 is the value. Just I am selecting the x direction which is consisting of 0, 180 in angle. Click on OK. Click on OK. In the same process, we have to modify the data which is presented in wind load in y direction condition according to your assumption. So here I am selecting this wind load in y direction condition system. Click on modify option. You can modify the data as per the same consideration. We can see here I am considering the angle as 90 degrees as well as the 270 degrees in y direction. Click on OK. Again click on OK. Now you can see here we have defined the dead load, live load, seismic load as well as the wind load here. Click on OK option. Now after defining the load cases, we have to apply those load cases. So no need to apply the seismic loading condition as well as the wind loading condition for the building structural model. Why? Because if you define those load cases, the software will be automatically takes its considerations and it will calculate the values. So in this case, we have to add the dead load as well as the live load condition system we need to apply for the building. So firstly, in the dead loading condition system, we need to apply the self-weight. For that, go to select all the building, assign frame joint load. So we will add, joint load, we will add force. Select add to existing load. We have to give the load according to the force direction as 111, which is related to the force x, force y, force z, moment x, moment y, moment z. Just I am giving as 111. Select add to existing load. Click on apply. Click on OK option. Now after applying the self-weight condition system, we need to apply the wall loading condition, which is the combination of external wall load, internal wall load as well as the parapet wall load. So for the external wall loading condition, we will calculate the external wall load according to the thickness of the external wall, which is approximately of 0.23 into 3 meter multiplied by 20 kilonewton per meter cube unit weight of the brickwork. Basically it is external wall. We will calculate those external wall in calculator. 0.23 multiplied by 3 meter is the height of the wall, and you have to multiply this respected value with 20 so that it will get as 13.8. So this is the external wall. For internal wall, again in the same process we have to consider 3, again we have to consider 20. So that this is the internal wall. Again for the parapet wall load, 0.125 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 20. So that it will make it as 3. So 3 plus 7.5 plus 13.8. So that it will make the values 24.3 kilonewton per meter. We will apply for the beams. For that, go to select option, property, frame, select beam. Go to assign, frame line load, distributed, add to existing. We will add here as 24.3 kilonewton per meter. Click on apply, click on OK option. Now after applying the wall loading condition system, we need to apply the slab loading condition system. So which is we have to calculate according to the thickness of the slab. So here I am thickness of the floor. So here I am selecting 100 mm is the thickness of the floor. Just I am multiplying this with the unit weight of the brickwork. So concrete unit weight of the cement mortar, which will make it as 2 kilonewton per meter square. So we will apply for the slab. Go to select, property, slab section, we will select here, go to select the slab 150. Now we have to assign those slab 2 kilonewton per meter square load for the slab. Go to assign for that, select shell load, uniform, add to existing loading condition, we will give it as 2 kilonewton per meter square. Click on apply option. Now we can see 2 kilonewton per meter square load will be applied for the slab. In the same process, we have to apply the live loading condition system, which is having intensities 3 kilonewton per meter square for the slab. So for that we have to select properties, slab section, select 150, close option, assign, shell area load, uniform. So we will change dead loading condition to live load, add to existing, we will assign here as 3 kilonewton per meter square. Click on apply option. Click on OK option. You can see here 3 kilonewton per meter square load will be applied for the slab section. Now after this we had to add the load combination for the building structural model according to our assumed default sections. For that, go to define option here, click on load combinations option, default design combination, we will select as per concrete frame design, concrete slab design. Click on OK option. Now after this we had to apply the support conditions at the base for the building. Go to select option, stories option, select the base option here. Go to assign, we have to assign for the joint related to the restraints, select the fixed support conditions, click on apply. Click on OK option. Now we have to do the analysis process for this building. Go to analyze option. So we have to click on the check models initially. We will check for the joint checks here. Click on OK. Now we can see here it is showing the model has been checked with no warning message. Cancel here. Again go to analyze. So click on the run analysis option. It will do the analysis process. We will see the analysis process according to the consideration. So here I am selecting my G+10 story building. G+10 circular. So here you can see it was done with complete analysis process. We will check the results related to shear force bending moment. Go to display option for that. Forces, select frame spandrella force. Select the combination according to your assumption. Just I am selecting 13th combination. Click on apply option. So this is the shear force diagram. Again I am selecting bending moment diagram. Click on apply option. Now we can see it will show you the complete bending moment diagram which is presented due to the presence of the load cases. Again in the same process we have to see the torsion diagram. Click on apply option so that it will display the complete torsion diagram for this building. Click on OK. Now after analysis process completed we have to design this building. So before designing of the building, initially we need to add the strip condition system for the slab section in order to do the slab designing as per IS 456-2000 code. Firstly for that we have to do the unlocking of the model. Click on OK. Now go to edit option. Click on add edit grid strips. Add grid strips. Select the story number 10. Grid direction is X. Layer is A. Click on apply. so that it will apply the grid condition system which is 10th story in x direction condition. Again in the same process we will select the y direction with layer will be of B, click on apply. In the same process we have to apply the stripped condition system for the rest of the 9 stories by using ETABS software. Now we can see here I was applied all the strip condition systems for each and every slab which is from the ground level to the 10th story here. So after applying the strip condition system for the x direction as well as the y direction condition system for the building, again we have to do the analysis process. Further go to click on the run analysis option here, so that it will do the analysis process for the structural model. We will wait for some time, then we will check for the designing process. Now we can see here it is showing the displacement diagram. Go to design option here. Okay, again we have to select the concrete frame design. We have to select view revised preferences as per IS 456-2000. Go to design, concrete frame design, click on start design check option. So that it will checking for the starting designing of the frame member according to beams and columns for this building. Now we can see here it was done with complete designing of the frame sections. After this we have to design slab sections also. Go to select the concrete slab section. View revisor preferences as per IS 456-2000. Click on OK. Design concrete slab. Click on start design option. It will ask you to select the stories. Just we have to select the stories. Click on OK option. You can see here this is the design of the slab member according to IS 456-2000. So we will save this model initially. So we are done with saving process. We will do that detailing process in CSI detailing version software. So here I am selecting my CSI detailing version 18 version software. So firstly we have to import the model from ETABS to CSI detailing version. Go to file option, click on new detailing option, open ADB file. So here I am selecting G+10 circular column and building here. Firstly model will be open in ETABS software, then after that it will be imported to imported to CSI detailing version software. You can see here it was importing all the data. Click on OK. Now we have to select the detailing units option. Select as per SI system, and this will be in kilonewton. We have to select the load, and we can select in kilogram. Just I am selecting here. Click on OK. After this select the preferences as per IS 456-2000. Click on OK. Rebar rules option we have to select here. Just I am selecting minimum cover will be consisting of 120, maximum will be of 300. Again beam is also having minimum cover of 120 mm for this member. So you can consider 120 or 100, depends upon your assumption. So here I am taking 120 as well as the 300 value as per my consideration for the slab section, beam section. In the same process I am selecting same 120 as well as the 300 for the value of maximum as well as the minimum value. Click on OK. After this you have to click on OK option so that it will do the detailing process for the building G+10 circular building model by using ETABS software. So you can click on the, so you can see here this is the results part which is related to G+10 building structural model. It will be consisting of complete slab section design results, beam section design results, and standard detailing units, and as well as the frame section details, column designing results. You can select any one of the slab from this member. Just I am selecting bill of material. So this is the bill of material. This is the rebar quantity. This is the floor framing plan. you can consider all rebar plan for this slab section, 10th slab. So it will load all rebar plan here like this. Again you can select the rebar KGA option, it will load the rebar KGA for the beams, slab section. You can see here this is the rebar KGA for the slab section. Again in the same process you can select for the beam. So here it is showing the beam concrete framing plan. So this is the framing plan for the beam. In the same process you can pick the scheduling of the beam, concrete rebar beam, bill of material, rebar quantity. You can select the elevation, select any one of the floor. You can consider the beam section. It will show you the complete beam designing results as per IS 456-2000. You can click on the rebar cage view option so that it will load the complete rebar cage view for the beam section which is presented here. In the same process we have to see the column designing section, column concrete. It will be consisting of floor framing plan, schedule and drawing for the columns. In the same process you can select the circular column section. It will show you the complete reinforcement which is consisting of number of the bars and reinforcement bars we have to consider for this column section as per IS 456-2000. You can see here for this section it will be consisting of circular column and section which is consisting of 12 number of 60 mm diameter bar which are required for this member. So this is the complete process of designing of circular column and building section by using ETABS software. If you have any questions about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box so that I will give you the answer for that particular questions. Thank you. We will see in the next video.